Optimizing your Xbox settings for Fortnite can make a significant difference in your gameplay experience. To start, focus on fine-tuning the sensitivity settings. A higher sensitivity is going to allow for quicker aiming adjustments, while a lower sensitivity provides more control over your movements. Many players find the medium sensitivity settings to be ideal as a balance between responsiveness and accuracy. Next, you're going to adjust your controller layout to suit your playstyle. The standard layout works for most, but experimenting with alternate configurations like Builder Pro can speed up building and combat actions. Customizing button mappings is another option if you do prefer more intuitive or rapid access to certain functions. Graphics settings also play a role in performance. Prioritize performance over visual quality, by enabling performance mode if your Xbox model supports it. This is going to ensure smoother gameplay with higher frame rate, which can improve the reaction times and overall gameplay fluidity.